welcome to the YouTube channel. Let's make a paper mask. So here's a book that I have found that is my source of inspiration. They have tons of templates and I used their template, but I changed it a little bit for making a wild cat. So go ahead and check out this book if you were interested in more templates and also for the source of my inspiration. So what you can do is fold it. This is really important. So you're going to take the center, bring it down, and then drag it across on both sides. So you've matched it up really nicely. Take your time with this. All right, let's cut it out. So what you're cutting out is the fold. So you have two pieces of paper folded together to make it into a mask. Great. So let's go ahead and cut along the black lines. Nice and carefully, I'm turning the paper. Ooh, gotta really turn here. Kind of move my hand. Notice how my thumb is also following along to cut it out. Ooh, let's fold it again, very gently. See how I'm folding it? This is how I'm gonna cut out the eye. Ooh, gotta turn again, and gotta turn. Wonderful. Now let's open it up, and this is gonna come down. Make a crease, fold, smooth it out. Oop, make another crease, and here we have it. So you can change things. You don't have to have everything the same way. What I'm going to do is sketch out or draw out where I want my colors to be. So I'm using a marker, but you can also use a pencil for this. I'm kind of deciding where I want everything to go. Great. Ooh, here's a zigzag. Remember a zigzag? Great. Ooh, this is fast, isn't it? So this is a time lapse and I'm going to show you what I did with all my markings for my tiger. And you can change things and do whatever you want. As I said, this can all change. Ooh, I decided to do a different type. Can you guess what kind I'm going to do? It could be a white tiger right now. It could be a cheetah. It could be... I think I'm going to make it a lion. Oop, there's the mane. It's coming down. Fabulous. So thank you so much for tuning in, liking, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Enjoy.